Hello?
Oh,
Welcome back.
Is this our content without Bill?
This is our content without Bill.
I don't know.
Out in Wentworth, you got your dirt bike over there, bud? We got little Paco over here.
Welcome back. He said.
All right, we're gonna hit some jumps today, Drew. We gonna hit some jump. I can't English very well today.
I don't speak English.
No, he doesn't speak
Yeah,
English.
me too. Daniel's my translator.
You're a Dirtbike.
Get your bike unloaded. We got the drone out here today, bud. You almost done getting all suited up?
I don't know.
Can't call it this early.
What's my name?
You got your bike unloaded.
Yeah, that's the start.
What's my name? Who am I? What am I doing?
What am I doing?
Dude, I miss Scott.
Yeah, me too. I miss riding at Scott's. I miss the East Coast. I love Arizona though. Arizona's a good state.
I don't know. Shout out to Scott. Come back down soon. Visit us.
I need Scott. I'm lost without him. All right.
Yeah,
The track feel, bud.
It's a desert track.
Definitely a desert track.
That's for sure.
Spinning ain't winning, bud.
Yeah. Just fun to get out here and get some seat time in.
That's all that matters. Is this a simple seat time stallion?
Simple seat time stallion.
Hello?
Some plants.
Got some plants in it.
Little handguards.
Thank God for those.
I love them.
They're killing it out there, though.
Thanks, man. I don't think I can compete.
Going out to the other side of the track. It's fine. It's a Cummins, bud. You're good.
It's coming, yeah.
Next track, here we come. I don't get an airbag.
Nah.
I don't get an airbag. It's fine. man's sitting out here running the track. There's a flipped over F-150, it's fine. And I have all these things. What is he doing? Wild little man. Threw a rock at it. Alright, spot number 2.
Alright, let's go.
Let's have some fun, guys. Nice. Some good riding out in Wentworth by this man right here.
What's up?
He killed it today.
Had a good time.
Is Russell on the dirt bike again? Yep, just hanging out, having a sit.
Got Daniel back there.
Going back to the trucks. Call it a day.
Let's go.
Make sure to like, follow, subscribe. If you guys like this content, let us know. That's it for today, guys.